Seoul, South Korea, and the tent you see in front of me is called Pocha. This place sells food and drinks to customers who want to hang out late into the night when everything else is closed. You can find these small vendors all across South Korea, in the cities and in rural areas. It is 12:30 at night, and you can see a lot of customers sitting inside at this hour. Usually Pocha sells snacks and traditional Korean drinks. You will find here a good variety of Korean dishes like noodles, different type of pork and beef dishes, octopus, spicy squid, stir fry, and so on. There is nothing very fancy at this place. The food prepared here is generally local. You will also get to see the ordinary Korean life and culture in these places. Soju is the traditional Korean vodka. It is made from rice and it is slightly sweet. Here people consume this straight with the snacks. Prices are usually reasonable and you will find a variety of tasty dishes on the menu. The food is freshly prepared after they get the order, and these are mostly authentic Korean cuisines which are hard to find outside of Korea. Pochas operate late through the night, and if you're a foodie, you will definitely enjoy the authentic dining experience. At a Pocha, you will get to know both the pulse of the Korean society and the soul of this country.